Hello, we're back at Corona POS today to give some advice on your email marketing campaign. Did you know that email marketing is by far the most cost-effective form of marketing? The average return on investment is about $38 for every dollar spent. It's a great way to target an audience at an affordable price, but it's not necessarily easy, unfortunately. So we put together some tips and strategies for all of our retailers out there. You might want to take notes on this one. Okay, so first thing you want to do is build out your subscriber list. Basically, just use every possible opportunity to have your customers give you their email. But there are countless ways of asking for an email address, some more shameless than others. Ask during phone calls, collect on your blog, encourage on social media sites, require to leave reviews, or offer email-only deals. You could even go early 2000s and have a business card drawing in your store. So yeah, be relentless, but don't get creepy. Next, define your audience. You don't want to waste time and money reaching people who aren't interested. Segmented email campaigns result in more opens and more clicks. If you want to get really serious, check out advanced customer resource management tools. These make sure you're hitting the right people. Just be careful not to get too spammy, otherwise you'll wind up in that dreaded Google Promotions folder. Once you've mastered this, you can take additional steps to get the emails opened. The most important factor is grabbing attention off the bat. Subject line. Don't say email marketing tips. Say 10 tricks to email marketing that experts have never heard of. Be as annoying as BuzzFeed. Just make sure you can follow through. Email marketing experts also swear by the 4 U's. Be useful, ultra-specific, unique, and urgent. So, you've reached the right eyes, gotten people to open the message. Now you need to find your voice. This is especially crucial for e-commerce merchants. It's your chance to let your personality really shine. Start by addressing the recipient by name. Don't be too formal. Use first and second person voice. But stay useful and don't waste time. Make people excited to find out more about you. When it comes to the actual sale, be clear. Give the minimal necessary information, show them what will be missed, tell success stories or great reviews. Add a sense of urgency with a deadline and make an obvious call to action. Finally, don't get too cluttered. Keep plenty of white space so you don't overwhelm. Hand in hand with this is also determining your marketing strategy. What kind of email is it? Promotional, loyalty rewards, abandoned cart, lapsed customers, cross-selling past purchases? Determining the overall strategy makes crafting it a lot easier. Finally, try out as many email campaigns as you can and keep track of each. You're not going to perfect this on the first try, so it's important to see what works and what doesn't. Modern analytics tools make this easy. A/B split testing is the simplest way of comparing the two different ideas. As for us here at Corona, we're still trying different strategies all the time. And it's kind of fun. Let us know what's worked for you, and thanks for checking us out. Click at the bottom of the blog for a free trial, and while you're at it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to our blog with your email address.